This video is sponsored by JA Transportation, the leading vehicle transport and recovery company in London and also covering the rest of the UK. You can get your car transported anywhere in the country within a few days. Guys, as you just seen, the car looks amazing, it drives amazing, but does it sound amazing? I don't think so. Let's do something about that. There you have it, guys. I've brought my car down to Fastlane's vehicle styling, where they're gonna make me a custom-made exhaust for the 325. So I'm not even gonna talk anymore. Let's go inside and see the owner.
All right, Mario. So tell me, what are we doing today?
So I was thinking about a catback. I was thinking about, I don't know. Are you gonna do it from up here to the back?
So you've got primary cats.
It's all completely standard.
Cats. You can go from here. You've got a sensor here.
Yeah.
What kind of sound are you looking for?
I want a really deep sound. I don't want it loud. You see that Golf outside? I don't want it like loud like that. You know those old school.
Nice deep sound without being ridiculously loud.
Yes.
Coming beautifully on tick over.
Yes.
And when you put your foot down, that's
yes.
when you really hear
Exactly. That's exactly what I'm looking for.
That's what I would say. So what I recommend, if you take the cats out,
yeah.
Of course, performance-wise, you're going to get much more.
Yeah.
But it's going to be a lot more raspy.
Yeah.
Remember that.
Yeah.
That's one thing you've got to remember.
Now I'll leave the cats in
if you
for
take
now.
the cats out, I would always recommend go for maybe performance cats if you're going to do that.
Yeah.
Later on. If you're going to decat, it's no point. You're not going to pass warranty, nothing like that. So
no, I don't want to. No.
I can go from this section here. I would say if you're going to go cat back, you can go cat back.
Yeah.
And then leave this section as it is. And then if you ever get performance cats.
Yeah.
Put the performance cats in. That's what I often.
Okay.
Because then you get stainless steel from the
So what's the benefit of going from here instead of up there?
Centre, you're going to be decatting it because this has got primary cats and secondary cats.
No, I don't want to. I don't want to decat it yet.
Decat it, then go cat back. But of course, always we say go for a full system with performance 200 cell cats.
Yeah.
It will be much better.
Okay.
But for the moment, I think if you're going to go cat back, then you'd rather go from here. And then what you'll do is from there, you're going to buy one section with sports cats in it, and that will replace it up to this flange here.
Yeah, perfect.
Are you with me?
Yeah, perfect.
If I just cut here and cut this bit,
no, that's cool. So if you go
this whole section afterwards,
yeah,
with the performance
with the performance cats, and you can supply that.
We don't supply at the moment, but we'll have it on our online shop soon.
No worries, bro. No worries.
I want to sort the price out for you, don't worry as well.
Please, man.
So what I was thinking, you take it off from here.
Yeah.
Start the car and hear it.
Yeah.
And see what you think of the sound. You might want to go straight through because you're leaving the cats in.
Yeah.
I will probably put one custom box here and come off with a collector box on the other side.
Okay.
Okay.
No worries.
Exhaust.
Let's do it, man.
Just have a feel for how it feels.
Okay.
how it is.
So this is with no silencer. You're just taking,
No silencer.
just taking the silencer off. No silencer. Okay.
So maybe best to go with a small silencer.
Yeah.
Take the drone away a little bit for you.
Okay. Salvage Nation, baby.
I think we put the smallest silencer in just to get rid of that drone a little bit.
Yeah.
And it should be fine.
Okay. So yeah, once he does that, you gotta go choose some tailpipes. I don't want to go with two. I want like
Single.
Yeah, single. I
Go
don't
for
want
the
the twins.
325 look high.
Yeah.
Something like that. Something like that one.
Yeah.
Maybe. And I'll let them get the diffuser on and hold a few up and see what looks nice.
Okay.
If you want to go something a bit more specific, then we can go for the aquaponics, or we can go, aquaponics or the black ones, they look nice as well.
Yeah. So guys, I'm not allowed to film everything, so they're making my custom rear box right now. If you can look over there, the guys over there making it. We're inside choosing exhaust tips. It's all going to be done. The owner's about to come in. He doesn't want to be on camera, he's a bit camera shy. But if you're ever in need of custom exhaust work, vehicle wrapping, check out Fastlanes in Romford. They've got everything you need, man. Check it out. Whilst that's going on over there, they're doing a custom transformation from a 2017 Range Rover. Have a look at that. It looks nice, but it's gonna be a custom facelift to a 2021 Range Rover. And they've got all the parts here at Fastlanes. They're going to be getting it all in. The wheels are going to be changed. Everything on this car is going to be upgraded to the 2021 model. This is going to be a trial on the owner's car, and then they're going to be opening this up for the general public. So if any of you guys are interested, come on down to Fastlanes in Romford. I'll put the details in the description below. Here's the Fastlanes body shop. They do body repairs, car resprays, wrapping, the lot, alloy wheel refurbs. Listen, if you want to do work on your car, Fastlanes is the place to be. Check them out. I'll put the description down below. Let's continue. guys, these are the tips that I chose. Have a look. The aquaphobic tips. They look so nice. So guys, have a look. We've started to fabricate from here. It's gonna come around there. Give me one exit there. Straight one to that. Straight to the action, guys. If you like watching this kind of content, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Like this episode, give me a thumbs up. Let's continue. How's it looking?
It's actually looking silly, you know, isn't it?
Guys, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Bro, what do you think?
Oh,
Looks better or worse?
way better, bro.
Yeah?
Way better, cuz.
Way better. And they're filming for their YouTube channel, guys, so go over to Fastlane's YouTube channel and show them some love as well. We're just doing final adjustments and then should be out here. So guys, that's everything finished. I'm gonna hop in and start it up for the first time. So let's see. So much better. exactly what I wanted, man. That's exactly what I wanted. What do you think?
It actually sounds hard now,
I don't think it needs anything else. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with the look. I'm happy with the sound. I'm happy with everything. Salvage Nation. Guys, tell me what you think. Hello, it sounds so sick. That actually sounds so sick. Guys, it's the next day here and I've come out bright and early. It's a nice sunny day out. I'm gonna put my sunglasses on and we're gonna take the car for a first spin with its new custom catback exhaust. I've got the option to go back and get the secondary cats removed. I'm not sure. I wanted to give it a couple of days to see how it sounds, how it feels, and if I decide to, then I'll let you guys know. But for now, let's take the car for a test drive and see how it sounds. Ooh, straight away, that startup, guys, so nice. It's exactly what I wanted, that deep 330 sound. You used to get it on the E46s and I've not really heard anything since then. But yeah, let's crack on. So guys, when I went down to Fastlane's, we did that little interview. He asked me what I wanted over the phone and again on camera, and I think he's nailed it. He's just like, I told him I wanted something quiet when I'm cruising. But you put your foot down and you know about it, and that's exactly what I think I've gotten. Now it's just a matter of, do I want it a bit louder or not? But I'm happy with what I've got so far. Come on, man, tell me what you think of the new exhaust. I just think, oh, just, whew. Oh, you know, there's nothing like a nice sounding car. You know, I don't like speeding, but when this car comes, you know I'm coming now. Without being obnoxious, without it being too intrusive. Do you get what I mean? It's just a nice... Oh, love that. See, it just made me stop. I love that, guys. So, yes. Come on, man. Guys, Salvage Nation, that's what we're doing. I rebuilt this car from a crash state. So it's got extra kind of sentimental value to me, and just hearing it sounding like this. Ooh, so good. Check out Fastlane's YouTube page and Fastlane Styling's Instagram page. Drop them a comment, show them some love, tell them you're part of the Salvage Nation fam. If you've got any work, go speak to the owner. His name is Habib. He'll look after you guys the way he looked after me. Oh. Woo! I'm tempted to go get the cats removed, the secondary cats, not the primary cats. Let me know what you think I should do. And if you're one of the guys that subscribe to me on my Instagram, you would have seen this live. I vlogged the entire day. So guys, if you want to see the inside scoop, make sure you follow me on Instagram. A little bit of history on this car, guys. I don't know if you know, I've seen it. I've showed it in a lot of my videos and pictures, but this car, I bought this car from the auctions. It was written off. I rebuilt it, fixed up the front. What made me think it was a good basis to kind of mod and build off for the channel is that it's only got 2 owners from new, and it's only got 43 genuine miles, 43,000 genuine miles on the clock. So everything else on the car other than the damaged bits at the front was nice. And if you haven't seen the rebuild series on this BMW 325 LCI E92, go check it out. I'll put a card up above. Right. Guys, I hope that you've enjoyed that. The guys at Fastlane did an amazing job, and I'm gonna hand you back to me and the guys from Fastlane at the end of yesterday's job. Let's go. Guys, that's it.
Make sure you go follow us on Instagram, Fastlane Styling, bro.
Make sure to subscribe to Salvage Nation and Fastlane Styling as well, yeah?
Pull up.
Guys,
Pull up, show it.
special thanks to the guys here at Fastlanes. They've done some amazing work on my car. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And if you have, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If it's the first time you're watching Salvage Nation, make sure you smash that subscribe button.
Brothers, man, they're very cool brothers.
What can we say?
Thank you.
What can we say? Guys,
Anytime.
yeah?
Yeah.
Bro, love man. Listen guys, this is where we're gonna end the video. And if you've enjoyed it, like I said, smash that subscribe button. It's time to get this car out and I'm gonna enjoy it. I'll see you in the next one. Keep it moving.